guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing with you all 5 wet hair top up bun, and you can say them high buns in wet hair. So yes, I hope कि आप लोग इस वीडियो को बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करेंगे. Yes, I hope you will all enjoy this video. So yes, if you enjoy with this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also connect with my channel. So I will meet you in my next video, guys. Take care, and yes, don't forget to watch till end this video. We will meet in our next video. Bye guys.